Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. Get ready to change a Chrysler 200's alternator. Customer says that they cannot turn the key whatsoever. This is due to the fact the car has no power. Some of the modern cars, if you do not have any battery power, you're not going to be able to turn the key in any shape or way. There are emergency releases on the steering column or by the shifter, but just have somebody to jump the vehicle. On this particular car, all you will have to do, because of the placement of the battery, which is actually going to be right up under the tire, you will come here and look for anything that looks red like this. That means you can jump, and there's your ground. Or you can use this ground, or you can use this ground. 1, 2, or 3 grounds, no matter which one you use. But there's your positive. So if you want to get jumped, get some power to the vehicle and put it in neutral, there you go. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.